Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome to today's video. I am so excited to share this video with you guys because I finally have added into my home something that it's needed, that I've wanted since we moved in 4.5 years ago. And that is lighting in my dining room that is right behind me. I've been wanting to add lighting into this room for so long. When we moved in, there was nothing up on the ceiling. There was no light fixture previously there or electrical or anything. So we just kept putting it off and off and off. Look at my dining room. I loved my dining room setup, but I hated the lighting in there. If you watch my channel for long, you know that I'm obsessed with home decor, and with home decor comes lighting. The lighting has made the biggest difference in this room over anything else I could have done. And I'd like to say a huge thanks to Lamps Plus for partnering up with me for today's video so that I could share with you the awesome lighting that this company has that I got for my house. And if you're looking to update some lighting in your home, they are sure to have whatever you are looking for. Lamps Plus has a really awesome website, and they have more than just lighting on there. They have furniture, home decor, lots of different things that you can check out. So it's so much more than just lighting. And they make it really easy to search for whatever you're looking for your home. You can refine the sections super narrow to find exactly what you are looking for. They had so many gorgeous options to choose from, but this Crystal Rain 29-inch chandelier just kept calling my name. Every time I saw a picture of it, I just was drawn to this one, and I'm so glad that I got it. I really relied heavily on the reviews as well, and this one had really great reviews. It was voted most popular, and after reading all the reviews and seeing the pictures, it really sold me on this chandelier. Also, I feel like the price of this chandelier is really reasonable considering the size of the chandelier and how many crystals. They actually have a sale section, so you can click on that. They have all of their sales divided up in their categories, so it makes it super easy to shop around their sales as well. You'll also want to check out their social media. Their Instagram is absolutely gorgeous to look at. Tons of ideas and inspiration. They also have a YouTube channel with even more information. They have lots of videos giving you tutorials, tips, just lots of different things about lighting and furniture and home decor. It's a really awesome resource, and it just shows that this company really cares about their customers being knowledgeable throughout their whole buying process and home decor updates and renovations. I'm so excited to show you guys my beautiful chandelier. Oh my God. Look at how pretty that is. Now let's take a closer look at my new chandelier. Adding a light or changing out a light fixture can turn a room that you don't really love that much into a room that you are absolutely obsessed with. And I think that's what it's all about. I think it's so important, since we are in our homes so much, to feel good in the space that you live in and to be able to look around and feel proud of what you have around you. This chandelier looks so beautiful without it even being lit up. It's just gorgeous. But when it's lit up, it gives off the most beautiful sparkle. I added a dimmer switch to this light because I'm a dimmer switch kind of girl. Adding a dimmer switch allows me to really control the light in that room. The chandelier that I picked also had the option to add in an LED mount at the top where it gives off a little bit of light. I really liked that idea. However, the only drawback is that light doesn't dim. So if you have a dimmer switch on your actual chandelier, once you dim that down, you still have a bright light up at the top. Now this light can be turned on and off. We just didn't have it installed that way. So we're actually going to have someone come back over and reinstall the top light so that I can have that just an on-off switch. So I can use that light when I want to, and then just turn it off when I want to have my chandelier on more of a dim level. You guys, I am so obsessed with this light. I cannot stop looking at it. I feel like I should name her, and I think she's definitely a her. It totally changed the whole look and feel of my dining room. I'm just so glad I finally have a light in there. I hope you guys enjoyed checking it out. Don't forget to check out Lamps Plus, and like I said, they have stuff other than just lighting, even though they have tons of lighting. I will have everything linked down below, and all of Lamps Plus social media will be listed down below because, like I showed, their social media is legit. They have so many tips and awesome things that you can check out on their YouTube channel and their Instagram, and just beautiful pictures to look at for inspiration. So make sure you guys check that out. Give this video a thumbs up if you love my new chandelier and you agree lighting makes the biggest difference. Make sure to thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you so much to Lamps Plus again for partnering with me and having such an amazing selection of lighting on their website. It's the perfect chandelier for me. Perfect. I'm so excited, and my husband and my daughter love it too. So that's it for today. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.